Meaning of dishonourable.
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 Dishonourable. The term dishonourable refers to something that is lacking in honor or integrity and is considered disgraceful or shameful. It suggests a violation of moral or ethical principles, and an action that brings shame or disrepute upon the person committing it. In practical terms, being labeled as dishonourable can result in serious consequences, such as loss of trust, damage to reputation, and social isolation. In some cases, it may even lead to legal action, social ostracism, and other forms of punishment or retribution.